What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Deadpool Sprunki. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw a large circle for the head. So we're going to start at the very top in the middle. Let's start with the left side. Go all the way around, bend this down and then in towards the center. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw on the right side. So we're going to go out, go all the way around, and we'll bring that back in towards the bottom. Now with our circle in place, we're going to move in and draw two smaller circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, starting from the very top. We'll go all the way around, and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start over on the left side. Draw a straight angle line coming all the way down towards the bottom to right about here. Move over towards the right side and do the same thing. We want to bring that down towards the same height. And then we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. Now that we have the basic shape of the head and body in place, let's start adding the details. Let's start with that patch around the eyes. In the center of the eye on the left, step up. We're going to start with a point. Now from this point, we're going to bend this out and then down towards the left side of the eye. Go back up to the top, come in, and then down towards the right. Let's do the same thing across the bottom. In the center, come down, start with another point, bend this out, and then up towards the left and right side. Now I want to repeat that over on the right. So we're going to line up that top point, bend this in and then down, go towards the outside, and then do the same thing across the bottom. So we're just going to line this up, in and up, the same thing across the outside. Let's go to the top point, go straight up towards the top of the head, and then from that bottom point, come straight down. Let's fill the top and bottom sections in black. Now just underneath the head, we're going to draw another curve for the collar. We're going to come down and then up. Let's move down and add that detail across the side of the body. We're going to start with the left, coming down and in. Line it up on the right. Draw a straight line coming down. Let's angle this up and out with a short line. Straight down towards the bottom. Now I'm going to draw another line coming down and in, just matching that line above. I'll come straight down towards the bottom. Let's fill this collar area in black. And we'll also fill the side of the body in black. Now I'm going to add two swords crossing in behind the body. So let's start on the top left. We're going to draw a straight angle line going up and then out. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now on the ends, I'm just going to round this out. And then draw that same angle line coming back in towards the side of the body. Let's take this top line and extend it down towards the bottom, coming down and out. Let's do the same thing on the right, coming down and then out. Then we'll draw the edge of the blade. We're going to curve this in and then up underneath the body. Let's add that detail across the handle. Starting from the top, come straight down, and then come straight in, come down, and then back in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming down, in, down, and then in. Let's go to the outside point and draw this. Let's go to that outside point, come in, down, in, and then down. Now I'm going to fill those center sections in black. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Deadpool Sprunki. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.